For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hashtag Mahesh Bhatt is trending on Twitter. Many pictures, articles and screenshots of different posts have been surfacing on social media. All these posts claim that Mahesh Bhatt is the reason for Sushant Singh's suicide. News has been surfacing which suggests that all CCTV was shut down from the night before Sushant's death. It also claims that some of SSR's friends had come to his flat the night before June 14th. The viral report claims that according to neighbors, a hooting sound was heard, which is not a sign of depression. It also suggests that the actor had gone out for about 2 hours before hanging himself and apparently was in a good mood. According to the report, duplicate keys of his flat has been missing. Apart from these, pictures of Rhea Chakraborty and Mahesh Bhatt are also surfacing on social media. Netizens on social media are claiming that Rhea Chakraborty had a close relationship with Mahesh Bhatt. One social media user shared a post that claimed that Sushant had confessed that if he continues to be in a relationship with Rhea Chakraborty, then he might get killed. Several posts on social media with hashtag Mahesh Bhatt also claim that Rhea Chakraborty removed all her personal pictures with SSR from her Instagram profile. Not just that, the actor also turned off comments on her profile soon after SSR's death. Many are even claiming that the object that SSR used to hang himself didn't have any fingerprints on it. However, others speculate that only the impression of his thumb, index finger and the little finger was found on the hanging object. Reports surfacing on social media have also been claiming that Mahesh Bhatt had once said that Sushant Singh Rajput will commit suicide one day. Netizens are linking Mahesh Bhatt and Rhea Chakraborty's unusual relationship to have murdered Sushant Singh. Fans are demanding a thorough investigation and want the Mumbai police to interrogate Mahesh Bhatt. Many fans are even claiming that SSR's death was not a suicide but a planned murder. However, these are the claims doing rounds on social media without any actual proof. No authority so far has revealed anything or has come forward to clear the air.